Okay, so here we are in our new job, out and about on the sea, paddleboarding away. What we've always wanted to do, we're finally doing, living that dream. It's a beautiful morning, the sun is shining, not a care in the world. Let's go. So as you can see, this is where we're at, going around here. You can see the pier there, and the wind's picking up a little bit, and this is the new life. Enjoy. Happy days. Okay, so this is the view from out around the back of the pier. Looks amazing. How about that? Out on the open sea at last. Wow. Here's the view looking out from the other side of the pier. And there's the pier and the flags. It's looking amazing. Try and get all the way around. You can see the land behind us. Just soak up the vibe. Happy days. There we go. Alright, we'll paddle back round, and here's the view from the other direction. There we go. Bexhill all the way down there, then Eastbourne, right in the distance. Bit of zoom. And then we're turning round. And then back out to sea and the edge of the pier. Okay, happy days again, enjoy. Bye now. I should be able to see some of the waves coming in, very, very gentle. Try and paddle and video. One-handed paddling, let's go. Check out that wave coming for us. Try and catch it. Woo! Missed it. Alright, gotta go. Right, the waves are picking up. Still very teeny, but they're definitely picking up. See if we can get one in a bit. That sparkle on the water, magical. So there we are, me out paddling by the pier, enjoying life, trying to catch some waves that aren't really there. There's one maybe there that we're going to see. Enjoying every minute. Live life to the max, that's what I say. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, obviously hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe, watch all the tutorial videos and enjoy. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'm off home now. Okay, bye.